Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll show you how to fix common banking app login errors. First you need to check your internet connection and make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile network. Next, completely close the banking app and open it again. And after that, check the App Store for an available update and install the latest version of the app. Then you need to make sure you're entering the correct username, password, and any verification code. If your bank uses two-factor authentication, then check that your phone number or authentication method is working correctly. You can also restart your phone and try signing in again. If you've entered the wrong password too many times, your account may be temporarily locked. In that case, use your bank's official password reset or account recovery options. So that was how to fix common banking app login errors. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.